This is a method I use for the brake squeal that you get on mountain bike disc brakes. Any bike disc brake, really. The only caveat is I've got the metal pads H03C. So you want to just check that it's not going to melt other pads if you're not using the same. So I use matte gas, and I just put the pads in the bench. You don't need huge, you don't need to like completely melt these. You just want to get them hot because they get contaminated with oils and greases, and that's why they squeal and they don't work anymore. Oh, bit more gas. Just like a trickle. You don't need to go hard, like. And just, you want to go back and forwards between them. And you'll see smoke rise from them. That's the oils burning off them. So you want to go back and forwards. And sometimes you need to do it for quite a while. I cycle every day, so I need to do this about once a week. And just back and forwards till there's no more smoke coming off them. So we're nearly there now. That's pretty much it. I don't see any more smoke. That's pretty much it. And then you're done. So obviously let them cool down because they will absolutely melt your hand. They cool down after a few minutes, put them back in, and that's it. The squeal will be gone until they get contaminated again. And then there you go. Just do it again. All right. Good luck. Thanks.